What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Sasquatch Performance Garage. Today we're going to be working on my 89 Foxbody here. It's coming home from a car meet, car show, whatever, a few nights ago, and the window wouldn't roll back up. I've been having kind of a little bit of problems here and there with it, and the passenger side window has always been a little bit slow compared to, say, the driver's side window. So it was going to rain. I had to get the window up some way or another. So I took off the door panel and kind of tapped the motor with the hammer, and it went right back up. So I know right now that I got a bad motor. So we're going to go ahead and replace that. I already got the motor from O'Reilly's. And, again, I took off the door panel already, so I wasn't going to be able to show you guys that portion of it because I had to get it done, and I didn't have enough time to pull the cameras out and record and all that, but I needed to get it done, right? So I'm going to go ahead and bring you along for the ride, and we'll go from there. Should be a pretty easy deal. I'll show you guys a few little tricks here and there how to get it done. All right, let's make it happen. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get some tools real quick here, and kind of thing that I've been dealing with here as far as at the house is my garage is kind of messed up a little bit right now. We've been dealing with it since we moved into the house. It's got a bad roof, it's been leaking. Not only that, the garage door is put in a weird spot to where I can't even get a car into it really without doing like a 50-point turn. So currently, there's nothing really in the garage right now. I'm keeping everything of mine in this little short storage shed that we have on the property. It's a nice little place, but it's not meant to hold what I got in here, tools and stuff like that. But we're getting that roof repaired here shortly, so I should be able to start reorganizing the garage, making it how I want it. It's an insulated metal building, all sheetrocked out and everything like that. So just got to put a garage door in it. But it's kind of where we're at right now. Just kind of everything. This is supposed to be where we store our decorations that my wife wants to do. But currently I have all our tools and stuff like that in here. I got extra parts for the Foxbody. I got a SN95 Cobra tank, fuel tank, so I'm going to be doing like a Cobra changeover on that because I want that fuel hat right there. So you can do double fuel pump, all that good stuff. And I also have a Cobra brake setup that I'm going to be putting on. We're going to take all the brake stuff to my father-in-law's house to do some Cerakoting. Currently right now, all the GT stuff that's on there from the SN95 GT 5 lug swap, all rusted. Everything that I didn't paint, like the spindles and all that, it's just rusted. So we're gonna take all that stuff to my father-in-law's house, do some Cerakoting, and then we'll do a whole Cobra conversion kit on there. I got all the parts already, just need to get it done. So it looks like it started raining, so that's fine. Well, it's raining now, and wanting to do some tree trimming, and later today, me and my wife, and I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon until the rain and the thunder stops. So it looks like I kind of like a free day until that rain stops. So let's get to it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do this. First thing we're going to do, we're going to take out our speaker here. It's going to give us a really good hole to take out the window motor. So, but again, kind of talking about the garage and what we got going on here. It's kind of honestly why I like to go to my mom's house to work on all my car stuff. She's got a fully built out garage. It's pretty much a 6-car garage, 2 cars wide, 3 cars deep, and it's just makes it so much easier to work on cars. Like right now, I'm working on this on my carport, and it's raining, and the lights are not very good. So we're dealing with that here. We got that taken care of. Took the speaker out. Now we're gonna go ahead and take the 3 screws. We got one here, and one through this hole here. Just got a little 8mm there. Look at that. Factory Ford. Factory Ford on that. This thing has lasted for longer than I've been alive. That's pretty cool. Here we got our brand new window motor by A1 Cardone, and I got the brand new one, not the remanufactured one, because this one had the correct plug. It also has the gear attached to it already, and you know, I really wasn't feeling like replacing all that and changing out the wiring and you know, like wiring it in directly. I've done wiring on this whole dang car, but why make it harder? So we're gonna go ahead, put these in. These are all threaded already, luckily. I know that some of the ones that you buy, they're not threaded, so you have to make your own threads. This one, it's already threaded, ready to go. Put this back in. Couple days later, weather is a hell of a lot better, and because of that, we're gonna go ahead and finish this little job up. Where we left off at is putting the screws in on the new motor. All right, perfect. So we got the 3 bolts put in, all tightened up, ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and test out the switch here. Pretty good. She's a little loud, or squeaky or whatever. Ice cream. It's not even a normal ice cream truck. It's like a short bus. That's right. So we got the motor put in. We're gonna go ahead and go to O'Reilly's real quick, get some spray adhesive to put the liner back on. Then we'll go ahead and put the door card back in, button it back up, all good to go. We're gonna go ahead and get going to O'Reilly's and maybe have a little bit of fun on the way there. All right, let's go. So we got our door card here. Already got the push pins put into the little holes on our door card. So that all we have to do now is just slide the door card over the lock and the window sill here, and then push those push pins in. Our door card will pretty much be attached, other than putting the few screws in on the speaker grill and the handle and stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead, get down under here. I'm gonna pull our wiring through. There we go, there's our lock. Rod.
Alright, so we got our door card pretty much put on with the push pins. We're going to go ahead and start screwing in all of our different pieces. We're going to go ahead and do the door handle bezel first. Then I'll go ahead and get our little mirror window sill cover thing. Whatever this actually is, I don't know. But it goes right up in the corner up here. Pretty easy to do. Alright, now we're gonna put the 2 smaller screws in. Alright, so now it's time to put our 2 big screws in here. These are gonna be 3/8 inch. So, yep, there we go. Go ahead and put our plugs in here. Last thing to do, we're going to go ahead and screw the switches onto the panel here, and we'll put the panel back into the armrest and we'll be done. Stop.
She wanted to be in your video.
Oh, I'm gonna edit the out of that. Alright, so got the switch screwed on to the panel. Now, put the final little bit here. Bada bing. Bada boom. Well, everybody, we finished up the window motor install, got all buttoned up, ready to go, and also give you guys some sneak peeks on what's coming up with the good old Foxbody here. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video, get to enjoy the little acceleration that we got to do. Spun straight through first and second, and you know, it was good 7,000 RPM. The rev limiter on the Holly is set at 7,000 and it went all the way to 7,000. I don't do it very often, but she liked it. She liked it a lot. I'm gonna go head out from here, guys. I appreciate you guys watching. Please consider subscribing to Sasquatch Performance Garage. Like, comment, do all the good stuff. And I will see you guys on the next one. See ya.